What's up, pioneers? This is Daniel here with your Daily Investor, the place where we talk about investing not only in stocks but in yourself. Look, guys, we have a new beginning, a new week to dominate in the stock market. I know you guys are excited. I'm super excited about it. And also, we have some great news going into the beginning of the week. The futures are up, which is a positive sign that this week might be a good bullish week, or also it might just be a good consolidation week. And also, it still can mean that we might be in a downtrend in the stock market. So I want to do a technical analysis on what the futures look like and also get some predictions on this week's stock market. So look, without further ado, roll it intro. Alright, so if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the upload. And also do your boy a favor and like this video to help your boy out with YouTube algorithm. I very much appreciate it. So look, guys, we have a new beginning, a new week to dominate the stock market. I'm super excited about it. The futures are up, which is very good news. And I know many of you probably don't know what the futures are. So in this video, I want to do a little explanation and also show you guys some technical analysis on what could potentially happen this week in the stock market, even though the futures are up right now. So look, we're gonna start this off right now. The future is up. We're up $29.50, which is 0.77%. So look, the futures usually open back up at 5 o'clock Eastern time on Sundays, and I usually provide a good prediction on what the stock market will look like for that week. And I know a lot of guys don't know what the futures are, so in this video, I want to explain to you guys a little bit on what the futures are and why some people look at the futures to really determine what the stock market might be doing for that week. Stock futures aren't a prediction as much as a bet. A stock futures contract is a commitment to buy or sell a stock at a certain price at some future time, regardless of what its actual worth at the moment. The prices offered for futures contracts are based on where investors see the market heading. Their vision may be spot on, but it can also be way off base. So look, people get excited when the futures open up because it usually gives us the direction on where the market is going to open up at in the morning. I'm on a 1 hour chart right now, but I'm about to take this up to the 4 hour chart. So you see I have these support lines right here. I have one right here, and I have another right here. So right now we are in favor of the bears right now. We're in a bearish trend right now. This right here is kind of almost a sign of good news that we're in a small consolidation. The futures actually opened up. As you see, Friday we closed right here. We closed at $3,807, and right here you see we opened up at $3,816, and we are currently sitting at $3,840. So we're up right now. We're currently green on the futures, which a lot of people think that, you know, so far that we're going to open up bullish in the stock market, which we do have the potential to definitely open up bullish in the stock market. This week might be a good week in the stock market, really, also because we also have good stimulus news coming from the government. So that right there might be a good catalyst to kind of drive the stock market up this week. But I'm just not too sure just yet. What I would like to see is us kind of break out this zone and around this area right here, consolidate in this area for a little bit, you know, to go ahead and start, you know, scan some shorts off, you know, getting some short sellers off the table, and just consolidate right here in this area right here, and then continue an upwards move. This is what I want. This is what I like to see. This is what I want to see. But the thing is, just the futures are up right now, but we can potentially see a dip all the way down here to these levels at $3,700, at $3,745 in this little area right here. And the thing that'll cause that is this right here is a very key level for us to hold. We need to be able to hold this level. If we can't hold this level right here, then we'll see a tank probably down at $3,745 in this little area right here. Or if we can just maintain a consolidation right here, I'll be okay with that. But we do not need to come back down and retest this. We do not need to come back down and retest this and not hold it. We need to make sure we're trying to hold this level right here. We've been consolidating this area since the 25th of February. So this is pretty strong 3-day consolidation. So look, you know, we're just gonna keep our head up. You know, we do have a lot of work to do in the stock market this week, and I just wanted to, you know, make this video for you guys. That was probably, I know some of you probably already been hearing about the futures, and the futures are up. And just if you didn't know what the futures are, I just wanted to explain to you guys what the futures are. But before I end the video, I want to touch on a little support and resistance type thing. So you see right here how I got these levels. Some of you might be thinking how, you know, I marked this level right here as an area of support. So if you look back in the past, we have this area right here. You see right here, it touched. You know, we come back over here in this area, it touched right here and it held. And we kind of came up. So right here, I like this right here as a good support. And then right here, this is another area of support. And the reason why this area is a good area of support right here, as you see right here, these two key levels right here will kind of make this right here a great area of liquidity. Also, we have another one right here that we can mark as another support area. So these right here are 3 key essential support areas that are very essential. I don't think that we'll come back down here to this area to 3,600, but it's possible. So look, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna be patient for Monday. Hopefully the market opens up green. Most likely it probably will open up green, but I'm not super bullish on the market yet until I see the moves that I want to see. I want to see a consolidation up here, and then if we kind of get a consolidation above this area right here and then continue to work our way on upwards about right here in this area, this is what I want to see. I want to see a good move. I want to see a good move over here into this area. If we can do that, then that's when I'll be bullish on the market. We want to break this area. This is the area we want to break. This area we want to come back up here and break this area and hold. So that's what I want to see right now. But look, going into this week, we need to make sure we have a game plan. If you see some dips, make sure if you had a capital on hand, make sure you buy some dips only if it's companies that you believe in. And also kind of be patient as well, because just because you see the dips, sometimes they might actually dip lower. So I'm going to be patient Monday unless I see something I really like. I'm gonna be patient Monday. I might actually day trade a couple stocks to try and build up more capital. Now, I don't recommend anybody trying to day trade because 80% of day traders usually lose their money. Day trading is very risky. Now, you need to really kind of know what you're doing if you're gonna day trade. And I don't recommend anybody to not day trade, especially if you don't really know anything about the fundamentals of the company, or also if you don't know the technical analysis side as well. So look, I just wanted to bring this video to you guys. I want us to continue to dominate like we've been doing, continue to buy these dips, and just continue to be great overall. But look, if you liked the video, make sure you leave a like. It'll help your boy out with YouTube algorithm. And I want us to always be consistent, stay persistent, and most importantly, make sure you guys stay up while we on the come up and never look down. Now, till the next video, Pioneers, I'm out.